I hope you're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we will search about ChatGPT. Here we click on ChatGPT as you see. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then in this window you will search about the application of here in this page we click on first stop, then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget to